Okay, so first off we select rectangle tool and then click on it once. We make the size of it 1080 by 1080 because that's the size of the artboard. So we give it a black color and then we change the stroke to 0. We make it 0 and then I go to window and then choose align. So I have the align panel here and then I align it horizontally and vertically. And then I lock this. I go to object and then lock selection so I don't accidentally move the background. So I close the align panel. And now we press T to select text tool, or we can just select it from the left side and then type in our text. So I select it by pressing Ctrl A to select the whole thing and then give it a different color. And then while holding Shift, I drag it from this side to make it bigger. I can change the text, change the font for it, I mean. And now I'm gonna make a few copies of it. So I press Alt and Shift to move it down and then press Ctrl D until it's 5 copies, and then I select everything, and while pressing Alt and then Shift, I drag it right to the right side, and then I select everything. Over here I go to window and then choose this one, symbols. Oops, I clicked on swatches, but yeah, you get the idea. Here we got symbols as well. So window and then check this one, symbols. And then I drag this whole thing into the symbols. We can rename it. So 3D type, I call this 3D type, you can call it whatever you want. And then I delete this, and then I select ellipse tool, and then while holding Alt and Shift, I create a circle like that. Change the color of it to white. And now I have it selected, go to Effect, 3D, Revolve, and then we change a few settings here. So I change this to 34, this one 14, and this one to 29. And then we increase the offset. Just like that. And then we go to Map Art. And then from the symbol options, we choose the symbol we've created. So we renamed it to 3D type. And then we try to align it here. So just like that, and then we can click OK. And now if we change the color of the circle to black, there we have the typography. So we can align it into the center from Align panel. And there we go.